Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where we make epoxy designs and installation, resin art and craft very easy. In today's video, we'll be talking about metallic installation. When you're thinking of installing a new floor into your home, picking a very nice one that will match that beautiful space you have may be very challenging. In today's video, I'm going to show you different kind of metallic floor designs I'm sure you would like to see. And don't forget to watch till the end because I have little tip to give you just in case you want to start learning how to install this all by yourself. Let's dive into the video. Metallic floor can be installed in different variety of ways, ranging from just one color pigment, two colors, three, or even more. All this depends on the pattern or the effect you want and also the creativity of the installer. Now, let me share with you answer to 5 most common questions my clients do ask me before installing this floor in their homes. The first one I would like to talk about is why do I choose this kind of floor over others? One of the things I always tell them is that even the best laid concrete floor or tile floors will begin to break down and deteriorate after some time, which can cause crack or chips to appear on the floor. But with professionally installed metallic floor system, your concrete will be sealed and protected from elements that can cause damage to the floor. And not just that, you'll be able to give your floor clear and beautiful look your interior deserves. The second question is metallic floor slippery? Well, to give clear answer to that, just think of how slippery your regular concrete floor can be when it's wet. I use this comparison example most of the time for easy clarification because your regular concrete floor and metallic floor behave the same way when they are wet. So, there's nothing to worry about. It can be well managed. But if you are planning to install this floor in a frequently wet space or room, for example like your bedroom or your garage, I would advise that the installer should add anti-slippery agent to the top coat. This will provide grip between the floor and the surface. Now let's go to the third question. How long does this floor dry or cure after installation? The fact is that every epoxy floor will cure completely between 5 to 6 days after installation. And one good thing is that you can start to work on it after 24 hours. However, you will need to wait for at least 72 hours before you can start replacing household items and your furniture. The fourth question, how can this floor be clean? Yes, one of the things I love about this floor is the fact that it is very easy to clean. Just sweep, mop with water, and that is it. It's clean. Sometimes if available, add little ammonia to the water for easier cleansing. But just a quick suggestion, it is best to avoid any soap mixture as this will leave film which can cause your floor to become very slippery. How long can this floor last? Metallic floor can last for more than 25 years if it is properly installed and well maintained. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm sure by now you have seen 1 or 2 designs that you can install in your home or probably for your clients. And just in case you want to start learning how to install these floors by yourself, I will leave a link down in the description below where you can enroll for the course where you are learning not just how to install metallic floor but flake floor graphics for. The course is full of different kind of practicals. It's a 4 days course that I would love you to check out. And don't forget to comment. Don't forget to let me know how you feel about today's video. Just in case you want me to talk more in any area, please drop the comment down below. I would love to read that. And also, you know how it is now. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified anytime I release a new video. I really appreciate your being here today. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one.